नमस्ते, मैं हूं डॉक्टर अभिषिता एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट डोलो 650।
usage, Dolo 650, side effects, dosage, and much, much more.
So I'm sure a lot of you have heard about Dolo 650 because it's been prescribed so often and everyone is aware of the tablet. So what is Dolo 650? Let's begin with that. So Dolo 650 is nothing but a brand name for paracetamol of 650 mg strength. ओके एंड पैरासिटामोल जो होता है वो इट्स अ नॉन स्टेरॉयडल एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी ड्रग विच इज NSAID एंड इसको कुछ वेरी स्पेसिफिक सिनारियोज में देते हैं. बेसिकली एक्ट्स एज एन एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी एजेंट. ऑफ कोर्स इट इज नॉट एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज अ ब्रूफिन और एनी अदर medication. It's a much milder medication and it helps reduce pain and fever in the body. तो कुछ स्पेसिफिक सिनारियोज में जैसे हम डोलो 650 प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं वो है माइल्ड टू मॉडरेट पेन. सो इफ यू हैव say a mild headache or a toothache or a earache or joint pains or just body pains due to cold or flu, then of course you can take a Dolo 650 tablet or a paracetamol. Now, of course, we talk about adults and children. Is there any difference? Not really. The difference comes in the dosage. So when we talk about adults, usually the dose is prescribed as 500 to 650 mg about 3 times in a day. When you come to a child, the dose has to be calculated as per the weight of the child. And ये बहुत important है कि जो dose आपने calculate किया as per the weight of the child, this is calculated by your treating doctor, physician or pediatrician and उसी डोज में आपको देना चाहिए. बिकॉज इफ यू टेक हायर डोसेस देन ऑफ कोर्स इट कॉजेज साइड इफेक्ट्स. नाउ डोलो 650 और पैरासिटामोल शुड बी टेकन आफ्टर ईटिंग फूड एंड प्रेफरेबली नॉट ऑन एम्प्टी stomach, because if you take it on empty stomach it can sometimes cause acidity, a bit of nausea or vomiting, so it's better to take it after eating food. Now how long does it take for a Dolo 650 to act? So as soon as you swallow the tablet, usually swallow it as a whole, so it takes about 20 minutes to maximum up to 90 minutes to show its peak action. मतलब उसका effect जब आपकी body में दिखता है तो उतना time difference होता है. अगर आपने खाली पेट लिया तो within 20 minutes usually action होता है. If you've taken it after eating food, it takes about 90 minutes to show its action in the body. Now, what are certain side effects that Dolo 650 can cause? Let's talk first about stomach related side effects. So, it can cause a bit of nausea, vomiting, acidity, maybe a bit of a stomach ache because of acidity. Along with it, some people are allergic to the molecule itself, which is paracetamol. So, they usually have rash, itching, difficulty in breathing, giddiness, or dizziness. If you experience any of these symptoms, please immediately rush to the nearest hospital or clinic or doctor to get these symptoms treated and brought under control. Now, certain precautions do have to be exercised when you take Dolo 650 or paracetamol. One and the most important one is to avoid alcohol. आर देयर एनी कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस टू यूजिंग डोलो 650? मतलब ऐसे कुछ सिनारियोज है या मेडिकल कंडीशंस है जहाँ पे आपको बिल्कुल ही नहीं लेना चाहिए? यूजुअली लिवर रिलेटेड जब प्रॉब्लम्स होती है जैसे जॉन्डिस और लिवर फेलियर या सिरोसिस ऑफ लिवर, हम बोलते हैं कि इट्स बेटर टू अवॉइड पैरासिटामोल और डोलो 650 or to take it only under the guidance of a doctor, because उसमें आपको dose reduce करना पड़ता है and sometimes it can even worsen a pre-existing liver related failure or cirrhosis of liver. So it's very important if you have that condition to tell your treating doctor, and then accordingly the dose will be calculated and prescribed to you. Now, some asthmatics or people who have heart problems will have to inform their treating doctor that you have these pre-existing problems, and then they will judge how much dose of paracetamol or Dolo 650 should be prescribed to you. So this is in short about Dolo 650. Please remember, Dolo is just a brand name. उसका actual molecule है paracetamol, और जो 650 mg हम बोलते रहते हैं वो बस strength of tablet है, और ये अडल्ट का डोसेज है, बच्चों का कंप्लीटली अलग डोसेज है. आप डेफिनेटली उसको पेन या फीवर के सिनारियो में यूज कर सकते हैं, बट अ लिटिल वार्निंग हियर इज, अगर आपको पेन डिस्पाइट टेकिंग अ डोलो 650 इज बियॉन्ड 3 days, आपको अपने डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज द कॉज ऑफ पेन कुड बी समथिंग सीरियस. Similarly, if you have fever which is lasting more than 3 days and आप डोलो 6 भी ले रहे हो और वो फीवर कंट्रोल में नहीं आ रहा है, then also immediately go and meet a doctor to try and understand what could be the cause of fever. So these are certain precautions that you should all follow. If you have any further questions or doubts, please feel free to reach out to us. You can always leave a comment below at the end of this video. And also, if you have any home remedies that you follow at home to say reduce fever or reduce pain, do let us know, because we find this very, very interesting. And if something seems right, we would also want to advise our patients some of these home remedies that they can follow. And look forward to talking to you all again. So I'm coming up next with another topic of interest, which is related to giddiness or dizziness. So look forward to meeting you all again. Thank you. Namaste.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.